welcome back to another Technique Tuesday. Before we start, just a quick reminder that if you like what you see and are interested in learning proper exercise technique, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. Also, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comments section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comments section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Alright, time to demonstrate the exercise.
The exercise we will be demonstrating for you will be the forward step overhead dumbbell lunge. To perform the forward step overhead dumbbell lunge, place a pair of dumbbells on the floor next to your feet. Stand with your feet hip width apart with your feet pointing straight ahead. Squat down by flexing your hips and knees and grasp a pair of dumbbells with a neutral grip, and stand up and press the dumbbells directly overhead so that the dumbbells are in line with your shoulders. This will be your starting position. Inhale as you take an exaggerated step directly forward with the lead leg. Keep your torso erect and arms straight as the lead foot moves forward and contacts the floor. The trailing foot, or back leg, remains in its starting position, but as the lead leg moves forward, balance shifts to the ball of the trailing foot and the trailing knee flexes slightly. Plant the lead foot with the toes pointing straight ahead and placing the lead foot directly ahead from its starting position to maintain balance, keeping the lead ankle, knee, and hip in one vertical plane. Once balance is shifted to both feet and you are stable, flex the lead knee to lower the trailing knee toward the floor. Make sure your torso stays erect, your shoulders are held back, the dumbbells are held directly over your shoulders, and your head is facing forward as you sit back on the trailing leg. Ideally, the trailing knee should be 1 to 2 inches from the floor, with the lead knee flexed approximately 90 degrees, the lead shin perpendicular to the floor, and the lead foot flat on the floor. Exhale as you shift the balance forward to the lead foot and forcefully push off the floor with the lead foot by plantar flexing the ankle of the lead foot and by extending the lead knee and hip joints while maintaining a vertical torso position. As the lead foot moves back toward the trailing foot, balance will shift back to the trailing foot. This will cause the heel of the trailing foot to regain contact with the floor. Move the lead foot back to place it next to the trailing foot approximately hip width apart and maintaining an erect torso just as you were in the starting position. Regarding tempo, there will be 4 numbers which will determine the speed of the movement. The first number is going to be the eccentric portion, or the lowering phase of the movement. The second number is going to be the pause at the bottom of the movement. The third number is going to be the concentric portion, or the lifting phase of the movement. And the fourth number is going to be the pause at the top of the movement. Therefore, a tempo prescription of 5010 will require you to lower the weight for 5 seconds and immediately lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the bottom or top of the movement. A tempo prescription of 3210 will require you to lower the weight for 3 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 2 seconds, and lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the top position. A tempo prescription of 4021 will require you to lower the weight for 4 seconds, lift the weight for 2 seconds without resting at the bottom, and rest for 1 second at the top of the movement before performing the next repetition. A tempo prescription of 2121 will require you to lower the weight for 2 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 1 second, lift the weight for 2 seconds, and rest at the top position for 1 second before performing the next repetition.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. And if you have any questions, ask them down in the comments section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comments section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Keep fit, have fun, and we'll see you again next week.